Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install Venetian blinds. Firstly, use a pencil to mark where you want the brackets on the wall or window frame. Drill the holes and secure the brackets with roll plugs. Measure the distance between the installed brackets and subtract 32 mm from standard blinds or 37 for cordless blinds to get the correct fabric width. Cut the top bar slightly longer and roll the blind back up tightly and evenly. Insert a bottom bar into the fabric and choose which side you want the chain mechanism and slot it in place. Insert the spring-loaded pivot and end first into the one bracket and push the other side into the opposite bracket until it clicks. Pull the chain to check if the blind rolls up and down smoothly. And that's it. Let me know if you need further help with different types of blinds or any troubleshooting tips. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.